Hello everyone, we will be doing the free code camp basic JavaScript complete course on this channel. What is basic JavaScript? JavaScript is a scripting language you can use to make web pages interactive. It is one of the core technologies of the web along with HTML and CSS and is supported by all modern browsers. In this course, you will learn fundamental programming concepts in JavaScript. You will start with basic data structures like numbers and strings. Then you will learn to work with arrays, objects, functions, loops, if else statements, and more. The first exercise in this course is comment your JavaScript code. Let's start. What is comment? Comments are line of code that JavaScript will intentionally ignore. Comments are a great way to leave notes to yourself and to other people who will later need to figure out what that code does. There are two ways to write comment in JavaScript. Using double slash will tell JavaScript to ignore the remainder of the text on the current line. This is an inline comment. Let's create an inline comment. Double slash. This is an inline comment that JavaScript will ignore. You can make a multi-line comment beginning with slash, asterisk and ending with asterisk and slash, and your comment will be between these two symbols. Let's create a multi-line comment. Start with slash and asterisk sign. Now write your comment. This is a multi-line comment. You can also add an enter between the lines, and you can also make JavaScript ignore an entire block of code using this comment. Now, to end your comment, you will start with asterisk and slash sign. Now run the test. Exercise number 1 is completed. Submit and go to the next challenge. I will be back with the next challenge in next video. Subscribe if you have not and do watch regularly.